Okay, Lori, this is it. Monkey, half dome, push-up boy. He's almost done. We made a pact, Lori. I love you. You couldn't make it. I'm thinking about you. The cables would not have been friendly to your shoulder. You made a good call. I know. Hopefully that helps you to hear that, because I think that the cables would have, you would have had to turn around, I think. Okay. Oh, hey, let's go over here. What's over there? Oh, it's death. Don't go over there. Let's go around. No, don't go off there. No. Okay, I gotta get out there. I gotta lay on that and look down.
Okay.
Okay, Lori. Here you are, Lori. I did not. It was like I was cuddling him. I love you. I love you, monkey. See? See how I love monkey? See, pet monkey do, monkey do. Okay. Okay. We're gonna set the camera down here for a second so I can climb out here. Whoa. We can't see the water, Lori. We can't see the water. It's too far. Oh, I'm gonna drop my camera. This is scary. Okay. That's pretty freaking badass. Oh crap, look at the road down. Oh, I turned it off. I stopped it. Oh no.